Hello students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. So this video is specially made for class 10 students for 2023 and 24 batch. So in this I am discussing about science subject. So in the science subject, how many chapters are there? What are the removed topics? What is the blueprint of the science subject and question paper pattern? Then, what are the books you have to study to get 95% and above? We will discuss about all these things. So, for 23 and 24 students, those who are coming from class 9 to 10 this year, they have 13 chapters completely in your science subject. So, initially we had 16 chapters. Now, 16 chapters they have reduced to 13 chapters. In these 13 chapters, they are giving 4 for chemistry and 4 for bio, plus 1 is also bio, and another 4 for physics. Okay, now physics I am going to discuss all these 4 chapters, what are the topics and what are the removed topics. Okay, and for how many marks you will get in the board exam from these physics. Okay, now we will see the first chapter in physics. In your textbook it will be ninth chapter. So this is light, reflection and refraction. So there are no removed topics, complete chapter is there. And second one is human eye and colorful world. So in this there is a small topic removed based on scattering of light. In that also we have only one topic removed, which is sunrise and sunset. Okay, that will be given in a box in your textbook, that is removed. Okay, and next third one will be electricity. So electricity also you have complete chapter, there is no reduction. And fourth one you have magnetic effects of electric current. So in this half of the chapter almost removed. Main topics are removed: electric motor, electromagnetic induction, electric generator, those topics are removed, but domestic circuit is included. Okay, so from these 4 chapters, first 2 chapters which are 9 and 10 in your textbook, you will get for 12 marks, and 11 12 you will get for 13 marks. So from physics you can expect for 25 marks. Okay, not only physics, even your chemistry also for 25 marks, bio also first 4 chapters 25 marks, and our environment, from that you will get 5 mark. Okay, so all these chapters you have to study, and in that how you will get questions. Once you finish the topics you will understand. Okay, now currently I am not discussing that. Now we will see your sample paper is released, and even CBSE board exam got over for last year 22-23 batch students. So how they got question paper, how many sections are there, all those things we will see now. Okay, so the paper is for 80 marks, maximum marks 80 marks. And how many sections are there? There are section A, which is objective type. In objective type you have 1 to 20 questions. In this you have assertion reason type also. Assertion reason are 17 to 20. Okay, so 1 to 16 are objective type, and then 17 to 20 are assertion reason type. Understood? And then you have section B, very short answer. Very short answer are from 21 to 26. It is of 2 marks. Okay, in this you have internal choice. Internal choice means in a question you will have two questions, either the above one or below one, any one you can write. So 21 to 26 there are 6 questions. In this you will have 2 questions internal choice. Okay, so both the questions are from same chapter also you will get. Next, section C. Section C are short answers, means 3 mark questions. How many 3 mark questions you will get is 27 to 33. Okay, so 27 to 33, 7 questions, 3 mark. Now in this also you have internal choice for 3 questions. And then you have section D, long answer. Okay, so 34 to 36, 5 mark questions. In this you will have parts. Okay, all the sections except section A, the question can have parts A, B or A, B, C. So each part will have individual marks. Okay, so in this 5 marks. Then in this also you have internal choice for every question. And then section E, it is case based or data based section. Okay, so in this you will have 37 to 39 questions. Okay, in this also parts are given. In this parts internal choice you will have. That means if you have A, B, C parts, for C you will have another R questions. So C will have two, any one you can write in this. Okay, so these questions are for 4 marks. Okay, now we will see for each section how many marks are there. Okay, now see section A 1 to 20, right? So 1 mark each, so 1 into 20, 20 marks. And section B we have 6 questions, each question is for 2 marks, so 2 into 6, one second, we'll write number of question here. Okay, so 20, section A will have 20 questions, 1 mark, 20 into 1, 20 marks. And section B will have 6 questions, 2 marks, so 6 2s are 12 marks. And C will have 7 questions, 3 mark, 7 3s are 21 mark. D will have 3 questions, 5 mark, so 3 into 5, 15 mark. And E, case based, you will have again 4 questions, 4 into, sorry, 3 questions, 3 into 4 marks. Okay, you will have 3 questions of 4 marks, 3 into 4, 12 mark. Total you will get 80 mark. Okay, so this is your question paper pattern, and blueprint is, as we have discussed, from each subject, chemistry 25 marks from all 4 chapters, and bio also 25 marks plus only from our environment topic you will have 5 marks. And then physics from all 4 chapters you will have 25 mark. It is given like this. So if you want separately, generally you may get from because in the previous years they used to give like this: natural phenomena is light reflection, refraction, and human eye colorful world. From those to 12 marks. In the same way, effects of current, that means electricity and magnetic effects of electric current, 13 marks they used to give. So they may give now also, next exam also, in the same way. Okay. So what type of questions you may expect also, we'll just see once. Okay. So here you will have question paper design. How do they design question paper? We will see. So demonstrate knowledge and understanding. So based on knowledge and understanding, you will have 46% of questions. Okay. After that, application of knowledge. So in application, you will have application of knowledge and concepts. You will have 22%, and then you will have on formulas, analyzations, evaluations, and create, you will have 32%. So this is more of experimental and formulation. Okay, formulas also they told, right? On this 32%. Now see, under demonstrate knowledge and understanding, what do you get? So in this, what type of questions you may get? So you may get statements, names, or definitions, all those things, direct questions you will get for 46%. After that, applications. So knowledge, where do you apply our concept? So in this they will ask you about differences, explanations, all those things. After that, experimental, case based. Okay, comparisons, analyze, examine, or evaluate, those type of questions are asked in this. So total you will have 100% based on these topics, your question paper design. And internal choice is given 33%, means one third. Okay, in your question paper you will have total 39, right? 39 questions. So in that, one third part you will have internal choice. I think all of you understood this. Okay. After that, CBSE mainly focuses on CBSE textbook. So everyone should read textbook first completely. All the questions are only based on textbook topics. Only the way of asking may change, but the topic will only from the textbook. So if you read textbook properly and learn the definitions, everything, you will score definitely 75% to 80%. After that, if you do textbook exercises and examples, you will have another 10% of marks. And from reference books like Oswald, you will get another 10%. So first 90% will be based on only the textbook, and the other 10% is also to understand the way of asking questions and numericals. So you will have in reference books like Oswald, and based on CBSE there are so many books. So in all these you will have for numericals different values, right? And then different way of answering, different way of questioning will be given in those reference books. Understood? So first and foremost thing is textbook reading. So when do you read textbook? Once your teacher completes the portion, you can start reading the textbook, and while reading, mark whatever the important points. Marking important points. Sometimes some points will not be given in the textbook. So those you will have gap or space there only. You can write there, or you can summarize whatever you have learned in the given space and underline the points which are important while reading the textbook. Once your teacher finishes the topic, you can start reading the textbook and understand it. Okay, so I am going to start this CBSE topics every day for class 10 students. So you will have every day a video sharp at 5 p.m. Between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. you can follow to score good marks. Definitely, I can promise you that I will definitely teach you each and every topic and every point which is important for your board exam, and all the numericals also will be solved. All the definitions are also taught. Okay, next you have practicals. You will have practicals in your exam. That means based on these practicals you will have questions. Okay, for practicals in class 10, you have finding focal length of concave mirror and convex lens. So concave mirror you will get from light reflection and refraction, even convex lens also same you will get from light reflection and refraction. And then tracing the path of a ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab. So glass slab also comes under light reflection and refraction. So these experiments are very very important. Based on this you will have section E questions. Okay, and then very very important in glass lab to know the angles. Okay, and diagram. After that, from next chapter, human and colorful world, you have tracing the path of the rays of light through a glass prism. So that also you will get in exam. Okay, so these practicals also, experiments also very very important. Your teacher will do those experiments in the lab. Okay, and you will have 80 mark board exam and 20 mark internal assessment. Okay, for internal assessment also you will have 20 marks, and from where you will get those 20 marks? From these practicals. Okay, and then your classwork and homework maintenance and your projects also. Okay, so for some topics CBSE may ask portfolio. So with that you will get 5 mark from the subject itself. Okay, so periodic assessments will be there. For the periodic assessments you will have 5 mark plus 5 mark, then practical work is 5 marks. So total you will have 20 marks for internal assessment. Okay, I think all of you understood this. What I have explained, I have explained about how many chapters are there in the textbook, remove topics, and then CBSE paper design, and also paper pattern and blueprint. Means from each chapter we cannot decide in CBSE definitely. So you can not expect question 5 mark will come only from this chapter, 3 mark will come only from this chapter, like that you cannot expect. Okay, nobody can say. In sample papers, sometimes they will give from one chapter, but in main board exam, they may not give from that chapter. Okay, that's why CBSE has not given individual chapter wise blueprint. It is given only for subject wise. That's why I am not telling blueprint for each chapter. It is only subject. From any chapter you will get 5 mark, 3 mark, 2 mark and 1 mark. That we cannot decide. Okay. And paper design also I have told, and internal choice also I have told you. And I will start teaching light reflection and refraction. Okay. So we'll start our physics learning from light reflection and refraction chapter for class 10 students especially, and it will be from the basics, and the beginners also can learn. And especially in physics, the advantage is you can start learning in class 10 itself, and you can score out in physics. Not only in physics, in any chapter you have 1 year time, you can learn and you can score 95 plus. Okay, 95% plus. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and share to the students, those who are going to study class 10, 23, 24. It will be very helpful for them if they follow my physics classes to score out in physics subject. Thank you.